The uniqueness of this workshop was Christine, because she's very she has a very positive vibe. She's bringing a full word with her about the music, about the presence, about the her energy that she brings to the group. Christine is unique, and so the workshop is really at her image. I love the energy of Christine. Also very caring, because she's also listening to our needs, so she adapted her workshop according to us and the level of energy that we had and what we were encountering at that moment of when the workshop took place. And she offered so many tools, so it was very rich in terms of what I've learned and what I've discovered. Christine had her own universe, so I discovered many things I could do on my own to release tension, to reconnect to my emotion, to reconnect to my earth. Yeah, the way she's holding the space is beautiful. It has been a very nice and rewarding journey. I really felt that I reconnected to my heart, to my creativity, to my inner inspiration. So it was a beautiful time, a very quality time to myself. It's very powerful, it's very dynamic. I hope I'll be within another workshop in the coming months.